Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Jeep Wrangler key fob battery. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR 2032 battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This simple task is quite straightforward and should only take you about 5 minutes from start to finish. It's a great way to save money compared to a dealership visit, and you can do it yourself with ease. Now let's get started by opening the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side or bottom edge of the fob's casing. Take your small flathead screwdriver and gently insert its tip into this slot. With a slight twisting motion, carefully pry the two halves of the key fob apart. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic casing or the internal components. The halves should separate with minimal effort. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note of which way the positive or plus side is facing. This ensures you insert the new battery correctly. Now, carefully remove the old CR 2032 battery from its slot. Take your new CR 2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, making sure the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. It should fit snugly. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, ensuring all the buttons and internal components are properly seated. Gently press the two halves together until you hear a distinct click, confirming that the fob is securely closed. Test your key fob to ensure it's working correctly. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your key fob working again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.